Chilahuiti. Starting off our video with the fish today. Oh, there we go. Little dinker, but still fish. Later, bud. On the old jig. Oh yeah. That's where you want to start. My dad's already got like 4 bites landed. You land 2? So we out here. He hit me like right by the kayak. But yeah, out here, my dad's secret little pond. Another one? Oh. I think I might have had one holding it for a second. Oh, structure you can see out here. Trees and whatnot. Grass. A little bit of rain. Not too bad though. That's a nice one. I think it hasn't came up. Oh yeah. Nice fish here. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh.
Horse?
Look here.
Damn.
We gotta get a weight. 4-3. That's a nice one. 4-3. Oh, it's trying to shake off. Where you at, Dad? Oh. Alrighty. Let me get you back in. Sorry, girl.
What are you using for bait?
Jig. That was a bit, and I legit thought to myself, okay, just let this one sit in there as long as you can. Try to drag it as slow as you can. And on like that 3rd pop, dang. The last 3 times I've come here with my dad, I think I've only caught 1 fish. So we're starting off real good. That was a pretty good fish. Oh, 4.3. Nice little bassy. I knew it was good when it didn't come up. It ran to the right and then it ran underneath me, but never ever came up. Bro, the wind sucks. Don't worry about me, I'm not gonna push you. You fish it however you want. I'm gonna work it slow. Alright, hopefully I can get you a video of me catching, like cast catch, but I'm gonna turn you off, it's pissing down right here. Chela! I really did a intro, was mostly catching that fish, that little guy, but one cool thing about this pond is you might see it, I probably won't get it on camera, but there's a big giant carp in here, grass carp, and those guys, they get excited when it's raining, I think, but they'll be jumping around. I've already seen 3 jump out of the water. One was right in front of me here, but they just jumped straight up, just like a little log popping out of the water. Not getting all the way out, but they're pretty big carp, so like their heads and gill plates are out and they just drop back down. But yeah, we're fighting the wind pretty hard. Seems like every cast you gotta re-get yourself going forward. I think I'm gonna switch my trailer. Might go blue since this water's pretty dark. No, it's kind of clear on top. No, it's pretty dark. Or switch, we're gonna go blue and black. Tot says he catches them right here usually. He didn't catch none, so see if we can get one on camera. Cast in the kayak. Work around this edge here. Running the same thing as bouncing this jig on the bottom. Hoping something wants to play. Oh, slipped. There he is. There he is. Oh, lost it right here. Damn it. We've been tied back up. I think my dad's got... Huh? You got one? Nice. Terrible cast. There ought to be a fish up next to these trees. I think that's how I caught that first little one. Burning it in. Maybe not burning it, but definitely on the reel. Alright, we're out here making the turn. We're fishing the Amazon today. If you haven't noticed by all the rain and wind. I got 2 fish. Dad's got 4. But one of them was before my boat was in the water, so you tell me if that's fair or not.
Look out there. Look out there. My boat was just so long to get in.
Seems like the last few times we've been here, we catch most of our fish there at the beginning. Maybe that's where you can tell with the winds blowing down that way, so maybe all the bait's just getting blown down to that end of the pond. Makes sense why they're down there. Yeah, this wind's gonna be nice on this way though. Be trying to slow down. I think we'll still catch a couple. Still due for a couple more. It's cool. These raindrops, you see them when they hit the water, sometimes they just sit on top and then they dissipate back into the water. They're like little droplets chilling on top of the water. It's kind of weird. They probably look like bubbles to you, but they're little rain droplets, all those little dots. Snagged up and had to break off. So he's tied a new one on. Still quarter ounce jig. But we threw a Kraken Craw, blue and black one this time. I think the arms will flail around. Hopefully get something to come check us out. I don't know where you're looking, camera. But we got one. No, probably like 2, maybe a pound and a half. Woo! Lively. Look at all that red. Eating some craws. That's a chunky little one. That's a fat back. about a pound and a half, maybe 2. He was fat, dude. For a little length. Had gut on him. Yeah. You can get here. I'm just kidding. Yeah, him too. He took it real late. Bouncing on the bottom. He was fat. Dude's been eating some shit. Not even kidding, he was fat. For as little size as he was chunky. We're at 3. Catching up. Catching up to that old 4. I was afraid I was going to lose him when I went to try to turn on the GoPro. That would have made me sad. I'll keep fishing this brush pile if you want to go around me.
Cut right in front of you. Just
okay, that's fine too. God, that'd be sick to double up like that.
fucking right.
That'd be sick.
The same thing.
Both hooking. Oh! Oh!
Fuck, I thought you did.
I was just doing sound effects. What was the biggest one you think you caught today?
Send you a picture. Probably like maybe 3.5, 4, maybe. that first one.
That's a nice one. Yeah, I didn't think it was that big at first. And then once I flipped him up in here, I was like, damn, a big old gut on him. A little bit of weight to him. Had red sores all over though. You got your diseased bass over here. Dad's got a toadster. Here, I got a net. You want me to net it? Want me to net him?
Oh my gosh, dude.
Here, hold on.
Fucking horse. Don't you come off, you fucking. That thing is huge. Look at that.
Oh yeah. You got it? Yeah.
God,
Nice.
son of a bitch. Woo!
That was good.
Dude, I watched him come up and snag it.
I saw you just bent over right on the front of your
I
boat.
seen him dive down. You got your camera on?
Yeah?
You see that thing?
Yeah, that's a nice fish. Man, that's got five, that's 6. You got 6?
Feels like 23, 24.
Let him get a little water.
Careful, he might pull you in.
Damn. Oh yeah.
Jiminy Christmas.
That's a nice bass. Big old mouth. Let's see here. 5.4. That's a nice bass. Oh, sorry, knocked you on the forehead.
You get the camera?
Yep, it's on.
No, I mean,
Oh, yep. Oh yeah. That's a nice fish.
look at that tank.
Damn.
God.
Straight to the bottom. Nice, right here. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna back out of your way and let you sneak on.
That's a good bass.
That's a good number 5 right there.
Fuck
Dude,
yeah.
I watched it just come right across the side, and so I just slowed down for a second.
Go ahead. Nice. Hell yeah.
5 what? 5.4?
5.4. That's a big bass.
Those are the ones that keep you coming back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I just feel like I'm gonna catch a big one too. Dad didn't even say fish on that time. He goes, get the camera! Camera!
I hope you got the camera rolling. This is gonna be a good one.
Those guys that I watch, or you too, the born and raised dudes, they got a video of them going to Mexico, doing some bass fishing. Fuck, they catch some toads, dude. 10 and 12.
Jeez.
That's, I couldn't imagine a 12-pound bass.
Better get up and have some Wheaties for breakfast.
No, for real. Oh, there he is. He like, oh, come on, get in there. He don't want to get caught. Just a little guy. This little guy. Got a sore on the side there. All right, thanks, buddy. Off the dip. Later. Check our line. You never want to break off after a small, tiny fish. Hey, we did it though. We got a cast to fish on the video.
Nice.
I'm gonna back out of here. Me and my dad's little rules of the day is whoever catches the fish, they go to the back of the line. I still gotta get a couple casts in while I can. Oh yeah, it smells like fish.
Yeah, right?
4 to 5. Shit, it's a close one today. Yeah, he was pretty deep. It was like right there where I felt him. And he did a tag. And I was like, oh shit, I missed one. And I kept reeling and he was just there. Circling around. He was hooked in the face. Damn, it's coming down. Alright, see where we catch another fish.
Where we come in is a good spot too.
Where we come in?
That's where I thought the first one was where we used to come in.
That one looked good. The one I saw you lose. I thought it broke you off. It looked like your line broke.
Oh shit, dude. Another big one.
Dang.
Look at that shit.
Oh yeah. Nice 3. 2.5, 3. That's a nice one.
Nothing in that corner?
No, I didn't get any bites. I'm sure you will.
Want me to go over there and take a look?
If you want to.
Might as well give it a glance. Yeah, he was way off the shoreline.
Deep.
I was just dicking around.
There he is. Oh! Or no, grass came up. I was snagged on grass. Maybe. Felt like a fish. I didn't feel a head shake, but it was good tension. Need to grease up my reel. Not a bad day. 10 fish. Our best fish were probably close to 15. What do you think? You got a 5, I got a 4. You got a 3, maybe 2 3s, 6, 10. Yeah, I think we probably got like 15, 16 pounds. Probably want to get out of the rain. All right, Osdoot, hump cheek,